Hi everyone, today we're going to be discussing the topic alphabet knowledge or emergent writing for preschool and kindergarten students. Alphabet knowledge is the ability to recognize, name, and know the sounds of letters, as well as to understand that letters are symbols that represent speech sounds and can be combined to form words. Emergent writing is the first attempts by young children to communicate through writing. It is a developmental process that begins with scribbles and drawings and progresses towards more conventional writing. I chose this topic because it interested me. Alphabet knowledge and writing is something students will use for the rest of their lives, so I chose this topic to research and learn more about. I loved learning about all the different ways to teach alphabet knowledge and emergent writing to young students. The first article I researched relating to alphabet knowledge is Sharing Alphabet Books in Early Childhood Classrooms by Barbara A. Bradley and Jennifer Jones. This article presents the importance of alphabetic knowledge. It lists many ways for parents and teachers to help young children with alphabet knowledge. Things as simple as reading alphabetic books to young children or showing them flashcards that can help them to learn their letters and sounds can majorly help children learn the alphabet. This article also described how alphabetic books can teach young children about literacy. Almost the whole article was about the importance of reading books to children. It is important for both teachers and parents to read books out loud to children to help them learn literacy. The next article I researched relating to alphabet knowledge is Moving to Assessment-Guided Differentiated Instruction to Support Young Children's Alphabet Knowledge by Shane Piasta. The key points in this article were that kids in the same childhood classrooms will exhibit different levels of alphabet knowledge. Some children may have had more alphabet knowledge before they began school by the use of books, songs, and games. There are many other reasons that children differ in their alphabet knowledge. Some may have speech or language impairments. Some may have developmental delays, and some just may have had fewer experiences interacting with print. This article explained why educators need to move beyond the whole class instructional approach and provide alphabet instruction that aligns with differentiated instruction, which is a teaching approach where educators modify curriculum, instruction, and assessment to accommodate students' varying levels and learning profiles. This helps better meet an individual's alphabet learning needs and increases instructional efficiency. This article I researched relates to emergent writing for preschool students. It is called Preschool Interactive Writing Instruction, Inviting Emergent Writers to Share the Pen by Anna Hall. The key points in this article is that writing instruction is very important for emergent writers. Writing instruction focuses on procedural knowledge, such as handwriting and name writing, rather than on meaning-making processes involved in writing. It helps preschoolers to identify and form letters. It also teaches that writing encompasses multiple dimensions, including handwriting, spelling, and composition. These dimensions develop alongside one another in order for children to bridge their oral and written words. Composition activities for emergent writers help young children enhance phonological awareness, alphabetic knowledge, and print awareness. They also nurture children's inclination towards writing. Emergent literacy supports the development of writing in a social context in which children can learn about the meaning and process of writing by observing and interacting with teachers, other children, and family members. These articles allow me to further learn why alphabet knowledge and emergent writing is so important for young children. The articles taught me how many new ways to teach alphabet knowledge and writing to preschool and kindergarten students. I also learned how much family has an influence on children's alphabetic knowledge and writing skills. Now we will be discussing some instructional strategies that teachers use in their classroom to help young students learn about alphabet knowledge and emergent writing. One instructional strategy is alphabet book read alouds at school or at home. This strategy is a way to facilitate phonemic awareness in young children. Reading alphabet books to young children also can teach children letter names, letter sounds, and metalinguistic terms. Another instructional strategy is singing the alphabet song. This allows children to repeat the letters in the alphabet over and over again. This repetition helps the children to easier learn the letters of the alphabet. Authentic writing activities, such as creating a grocery list or writing a letter to a classmate. These activities help young children increase in a variety of early literacy skills. These activities also enhance phonological awareness, alphabetic knowledge, and print awareness, which are skills that are all associated with future reading and writing proficiency. Lastly, we will go over some instructional resources used in the articles. An instructional resource that was used in all of the articles were books. Books allow children to encounter many words and letters. This allows them to learn letter sounds and how to combine them to read words. Another instructional research was a paper assessment. The teacher presented the child with a sheet of paper that had all 26 letters of the alphabet. This allowed the teacher to sit with the child one-on-one and assess what letters the child knows and does not know. Another instructional research that was used in the articles was alphabet picture chart. These are a chart with all the letters of the alphabet and pictures of things that start with each letter, as shown in the image. These are used to help children connect letters with sounds. All of these articles that I used for my research were published in the Reading Teacher.